Who's the cutest couple? No, but I think that's not actually fair. You are. You're just gonna be that shirt. You're the same thing. It's ugly. No, it's fine. So pick which one you want. No, I'm taking this couple. Yeah. Her? That's a boy. Wow. Sorry. We have one more people coming. Make space. One more couple. Oh, that's a cute couple. They're matching. Whoa. Pretend these are all the thing right here. No, I told you the yellow one. Here you go. Okay, stop talking, dang! Just be quiet and listen to them.
On.
You're all playing.
Can you keep it down, please?
Yes.
Thank you.
Just kidding. Just kidding. No. Hey, just kidding.
Hello. Welcome. I have something very easy today. Grandchildren are supposed to be here to do this, but they request that I do this. No, they request that we do this together. I guess they are busy at the moment. So, yeah, sometimes they be making all kind of demand requests, but yet they chose to do something else. But I promised them that I'll do something for them today, which is cool with me. I'm gonna do that. So they wanted to do brownie. I think we can do double brownie. Oh yeah, we probably should be doing some call it cookies, huh? But because I wanted to make loofah soup after this, so I decided to do the brownie for the grandkid first, and then do the soup afterward. How about that?